Hey friends, this is Atif and you're watching Moon 333 where I'm posting the different trading ideas and also educational videos. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for any kind of investment advice and do your own research and work. Today I'm going to tell you some more developments in the Bitcoin move. Previously, we have seen that the Bitcoin has broken out the resistance of this down channel where the price action was moving since June 2019. And I predicted in my previous video, I told you that the price action now may move down to retest the resistance of this channel as a support, and that is really a healthy move for the price action. Whenever the price action uh, broke out any resistance of any channel or any chart pattern, it moves down to retest. Always, most of the times, it moves down to retest the support or the resistance of the channel as the previous channel or previous chart pattern. And now we can see that the price action is doing the same here. And let's move to the live chart to see more developments. What we are having on the live chart is this is the chart, Bitcoin US dollar. I've also shared the TradingView link in the video's description. You just, if you want to follow my charts on the TradingView, I've published my all charts here. Then you can just click on the link, and after that, you just need to click the people option and write my name, Moon Triple Three. Then you'll find my link here, my page here, and you can find all of my charts I've published here on the TradingView. All right, I'm just taking you to the Bitcoin live chart now. And this is a Bitcoin chart. All right, if we see on the month chart, on the long-term chart, then we can see that the Bitcoin is making very healthy move. For example, uh, here I'm just starting from, let's start from here, November 2012. We can see that the price action uh, moved up, and after that the price action had a little bit price correction period. Here we can see that the price action took the price correction move here, and after that the price action moved up again here in 2013, and after that the price action again uh, took another price correction move, and after 2015 the price action again moved up. In 2017, and we can see that the price action again took another movement down. That was the price correction period up to point, and this price correction was up to 0.786 Fibonacci, and then the price action again moved up, and now we can see the price action again has moved down, and now another green candle is being appeared. So this is a very good healthy move by the price action of the Bitcoin on the long-term chart, on the month chart. And if we see on the day chart, then the price action is making on the day chart uh, kind of bull flags, like it moved up, and here the price action has formed a flag, then moved up, and after a little bit price correction, the price action has formed a bull flag, and now it is likely to form another bull flag here on the day chart. And if we move to the 12 hours chart, then we have uh, there can be a likely to be an up channel is being formed. This is a very nice trend line at or resistance the Bitcoin has found in an up channel. Even this channel is in process. You can see that this can be the down support of the channel. We have almost two touches at the down support, and once this price correction uh, move will be ended, the price action may hit here at the support of the channel. Then we will have three or more than three touches, and the a complete up channel formation will be completed, and I'll definitely accept it as an up channel after that. And here we have a very good trend line formation. The price action is moving up, hitting the trend line, moving down, moving up, hitting the trend line, moving down, and moving up, hitting the trend line, moving down. And now again, the price action is hitting at the trend line and moving down, and maybe the next move will be here around at 95, $9,600 when the price correction move will be ended, and the price action will again take another bullish divergence like it is taking again and again during between this channel. So this is a 12-hour chart, and we can see there is an up channel formation is in process, cause unless we won't have more touches here at the support of the channel, we can't say anything that this is a proper channel or not. But so far we have a very smooth formation of trend line at the resistance or upside the price action, which is showing that this would be an up channel very soon when we'll have some more touches at the bottom or support of this channel. And if we see the moving averages on the day chart, the simple moving averages, and this is a day chart, and the yellow one is the 10 moving average. Blue one is the 25 moving average. Green one is the 50 moving average. Red one is the 100 moving average. Yellow one is the 10, and the black one is the 200 moving average. And since the price action is moving up, we can see the price action is again and again taking bounce from the 10 moving average. It was moving up here, took the bounce from the 10 moving average, again move up here, and took another bounce. It was not a bounce, but it went quite close to the 10 moving average, and again moved up. And now we can see that we have found a resistance of 200 moving average, and the price action has hit the 200 moving average, and also the resistance of this future channel that can be a future channel or it is trend line and moving down again, and maybe the price action will take the bounce again from this 10 moving average, or maybe it will take the bounce from here, or maybe it will take the bounce from here at the 100 moving average. However, my stop loss as for me is almost at 77 to $7,800, cause on 7,800 or 77, between 77 or $7,800 we have uh, two things on week chart. We have 100 moving support, 50 moving average support at almost 77 to $7,800. And uh, as I have already told you in my previous videos, that our recent support between the channel which we had, which the price action formed uh, during the previous move, that was a down channel, that was at $7,772. So still, this is my stop loss. If the price action will be moved down and the candlesticks will be one or two candlesticks will be closed below this support of this channel, then definitely I'll be out of the trade, and I'll just seek some more bullish moves or bullish signals from the Bitcoin to take a long position again. So that can be my stop loss. You can also decide your own stop loss as well. But this is my suggested stop loss. And if we see on the day chart again, then there is another healthy move by the price action, and that is a cup and handle formation, and this can be a very strong bullish reversal for the price action. This can be the resistance of this cup, and this is the this can be a very good cup and handle formation. And for example, the price action moved down up to here, up to 0.382, even up to 0.550, even up to 0.618 Fibonacci. We can have a very strong price reversal from here, even up to I've even experienced that up to 0.786 Fibonacci. The price action took a very powerful bullish divergence whenever a cup and handle formation is formed by the price action of any asset, especially the currencies, the fiat and the cryptocurrencies as well. So this formation can be a very good for the Bitcoin price action in the favor of bullish move. So that was my today's analysis for the Bitcoin. Definitely I'll be back soon with more developments when I will find any more developments in the Bitcoin move. And for the recap, you can also find my previous videos because this is a kind of chain. If you'll see my previous videos, it will be definitely easy to understand by this video for you as well. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then do subscribe it and do like the video. Take care. Goodbye.